Hey guys, let's start from our topic for today. It's going to be type connections from MySQL, and the first on this picture you see number one. It's named pipe server. It's mean let that name a channel, which is a mechanism of iteration between the client and the server, having certain settings within itself, allowing the data exchange between the client and the server. To avoid complex terminology, it can be said that the recipient computer and the sender computer create a certain channel between them, from which data is transmitted. This channel facilitates communication between the server and the client. Below is an example illustrating similar type communication between the client and the server. I'm saying about the picture number 2. So the picture number 2, it's TCP IP ports and sockets. TCP IP network database contains information about TCP IP server applications, such as the name, port, and protocol. This information is used as specific markers to actively establish connection between and exchange information equipment. If we delve a little deeper, each computer has a certain identifier. That identifications identifies it on the network, making it visible to all existing clients here. So with help of this address, if we know it, we can directly address the computer. An illustration shows a bit how we exchange information with the server using address. This one, picture number 2. Now let's move to the picture number 3 on our presentation. It's a SSH tunnel. This type of connection, also called SSH port forwarding, is a method of transferring arbitrary data from an encrypted SSH connection. If we simply type of connection image that we have two devices located in the different rooms, and the socket is located in the third room, and you need to connect them both to the power grid simultaneously, so we can connect both devices and two extensions cords so that they can simultaneously receive electricity and be in the network. Those SSH tunnel is extension cord that connects both computers to each other, allowing us to receive data from each other. In the example, picture number 3 below, we see the approximately operations of tunnel. Now let's move to the picture number 4. It's removed procedure call. On the last this picture, this type of connection is implemented by Microsoft Corporation in its OS and is similar to tunnel, except that it uses specific equipment inherent in the Windows OS, regardless of the version of the OS itself. Example is showing that we have server and the client, and they communicating using network. Thank you so much. This is a short video describes the different types of connections for MySQL. If you have questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comments section, or you can write me directly. It depends on your question. I wish you everyone have a beautiful day. See you on the next video.